Do you ever feel like 24 hours a day is not enough? We all feel that we don't have enough time, but the fact is that 24 hours a day is a fair number for everyone. What we lack is the skill of time management and organizing work, so today let's find out together a few tips to manage your time better. First, make your to-do list for the day, and then manage your priority by using Eisenhower matrix like this one. Urgent and important, you must work on these immediately. It can be a deadline or something important. Important but not urgent, these tasks are important, but you can afford to complete them later. Urgent but not important, these tasks need to be completed immediately, but aren't overly important and you can delegate them to someone else. Not urgent, not important, these are the thing you need to avoid. It is up to you how you want to prioritize your tasks, and decide which tasks should go into each quadrant. With this method, you will be able to complete your jobs faster and better, when dividing them into specific levels, instead of just looking at a long list and still not knowing where to start. The second technique is called Power Hour. Power Hour is generally a short period of time, when you spend the first 1 hour of your day doing the most difficult task. The idea is to help you hyperfocus for 60 minutes without any distractions. It helps you overcoming procrastination, feeling more energetic and motivated to continue your day. The key is avoiding distractions that can take away your time, like social media. You pick your job and don't let yourself go on Facebook, open a YouTube tab, or get caught up with your phone. Distraction can be your worst enemy when it comes to managing your time. So when you try to focus, block out all the things that can distract you, put your phone away, don't go and look at your social media notifications, or open your YouTube tab until you finish your work. Organize. Organizing your workplace helps you not to waste time searching for the necessary things or documents when needed. A cluttered workplace with piles of new, old, important, unimportant documents not only makes you feel confused, but it also takes a lot of time when you need to find what you need. Deadlines are important for time management. When doing a certain task, set a deadline for it and follow through. Do not procrastinate with laziness, try to do your best. Challenge yourself and meet the deadline. Don't forget to reward yourself afterward. Do not multitask. When multitasking, you can make mistakes and miss some important detail which will eventually slow down your work. Stay focused and tackle them one by one. Discipline. To use your time wisely, you must also practice discipline. Set your own rules and follow them. You may find it hard and frustrating at first, but practice slowly, you will get used to it. Then everything will be in order, and you will certainly find that you have more time for life as well as work. It will end the situation of rushing every day to race against time, but everything is still not working the way you want. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.